Tired of remembering or resetting all your passwords? Well, try using Windows Hello to securely sign into your device, online services, apps, and networks in Windows. With fast and easy setup, you're quickly on your way to using biometrics or a PIN to log in. Now, we've all been getting used to using biometrics on mobile devices for quite a long time for quickly logging into apps and services. And using Windows Hello, you'll have a similar experience on your PC. Let's look how easy it is to use Windows Hello in Microsoft Edge. So securely sign into a Microsoft account and access your personal data without ever typing in a password. This process can be used for logging into other online services as well. Windows Hello gives you enterprise-grade security. Not to mention, Windows doesn't store pictures of your face, iris, or fingerprints, so your personal data is truly safe. Okay, all finished with your work? With Dynamic Lock, you can use your paired mobile device to automatically lock your PC as you get up and walk away.